Hi, I'm Nick from Motorisé Vacuum Lifters, and today I'm here in our production area with one of our long-standing VB 4+4 models. This lifter that features manual movements was manufactured in 2010 and it's still in good working order. And it's here today in our warehouse for its periodic checkup and for a major change. Indeed, the reason why I'm showing you this lifter is not only to testify the longevity of our lifters, but mostly to showcase this very interesting accessory. This is an ultra lightweight and compact suspension that we developed to transform VB models which were originally made with manual movements into models with motorized movements. And the interesting part of this accessory is that we can mount it also on older models, such as this one, giving you up to 800 kilograms of lifting capacity. So if you purchased a VB model with manual movements and now feel the need for electric movements, you should know that from now on it is possible to modify your existing equipment without having to purchase a new vacuum lifter. We offer two options for this lifting arm, one with motorized tilt and rotation movement remains manual, and the other one that features both electric movements, so the 0 to 90 degree tilt and the full 360 degree rotation. This lifting arm is powered by a dedicated 18 volt 5 amp lithium battery and a power switch which is independent from the machine body. Tilt or tilt and rotation movements are controlled via a wireless remote control. And if your vacuum lifter is already remote controlled for suction and release functions, we can integrate them in a single remote control. So, whether you want to transform your existing VB vacuum lifter or purchase a new one with electric movements, this is the ultra compact and lightweight lifting arm for you. Be sure to contact us for more information or for a free quote. I'll see you next time.